The landscape of software development has drastically changed over the last 10-20 years and will continue to do so. I think the scariest phrase in the English language is, "We've always done it that way." With advances in hardware and software, the pace of innovation has only accelerated. Old methodologies simply can't keep pace. Instead of shipping one major version every couple of years, software companies are continuously updating services that are offered online. When was the last time you got software delivered via CD? People just expect new features and fixes to happen quickly without disruption to their daily lives. Common roadblocks like getting access to infrastructure have pretty much been eliminated. Virtualization has changed the game for operational teams. Now you can create servers in minutes and harness the full power of those physical resources. Development teams have more opportunity to create templates, clone, snapshot, roll back, and destroy whole environments. There's also online services like AWS or DigitalOcean where you can go and test your code. Today, people don't have a lot of sympathy in our on-demand society. If your site doesn't work or your app is buggy, people have multiple ways to let you know, which leads to tarnishing your brand's image. This puts extreme pressure on developers and operations, but also product managers and business people. How do you manage everything at this new pace? How do you change old habits and organizational structures and processes to adapt? A development process with a long and detailed design phase and a planning phase and then another long implementation phase is slow, inefficient, and error-prone. To top it off, organizational silos that prevent communication leads to stale information, misconceptions, and further slows down the process. What arose from the ashes of past mistakes? Agile development was born. Constant feedback with an iterative approach allows to find problems quickly for both developers and operations teams. But Agile covers just the first part of the application lifecycle, which is development. Another part of the puzzle comes from using Agile and Lean approaches incorporating operations. With people still working in their silos, bottlenecks remain. Breaking down the silos allow collaboration through all stages of the development. And this brings us to the definition of DevOps.